Oo nga.
page.
Yeah.
Ano mo, hala, live na. Hala.
Impromptu naman,
Yes,
impromptu.
we do this.
We are live! Hello! Hello, everybody! Nagchichikahan pa talaga kami sa background. Hi, everybody.
Yes,
Good
tsikahan
morning, good
talaga.
afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this live or replay from. Kumusta po? Kumusta? So right now, I'm here in Windsor, Ontario, Canada. Coach Mildred is in Toronto. Kuya Joseph is in Hamilton. So we are all online business owners, and we're here for this third episode of our Your Next Chapter. Ayan. So this is actually the second installment of episode of the second episode kasi that episode 2 and this episode is all about travel. So our topic for today is about roam and discover, the joy of traveling, tips, tales, and inspiration for every kind of explorer. Kasi we figured that the last episode was really enjoyable. Like we really had fun talking about our most memorable and unforgettable experiences in our trips, in our travels. And so we wanted to
Right.
give more value to you guys.
Mhm.
We wanted to share the tips, tricks, in traveling, yung mga na-experience namin. So we're here today. So before anything else, before we start the discussion, just a quick introduction about ourselves. So, mauna na po ako. My name is Arian, and I'm currently based here in Windsor, Ontario, Canada, but I'm originally from the Philippines. I've been here since 2022. I was a student and then juggled multiple jobs as a cleaner and worker in the rental property management company, and then eventually landed an IT analyst job because I used to be an IT programmer back in the Philippines. So I've been doing this business since 2023. Ayan, so nakalimutan pa. 2023. So been here for 2 years, and I've never looked back since. So I really enjoy being here. Helping other parents, busy parents, do the same. So earn extra online through this online business. So go ahead, Coach Mildred, and then you can pass it on to Kuya Joseph.
Hi, everybody. How's everybody doing? Welcome back to our episode. We love, having this podcast and interacting with you guys. And so we hope we give you value. So I am in Toronto. I'm also from Cebu and Manila, Philippines. I'm a mom. I love to travel, and I am also an online business coach. So before doing this business, I had several jobs. I was also in the airline industry. I was in aviation. So that's why I love to travel. So I was a flight attendant for several years. Coming to Canada, of course, I had to, when you're new to Canada, you have to start somewhere and then work your way to your career. I was in several careers in retail, in the corporate world, and then went back to my field in social work in the government and nonprofit organization in the government. When I found this business that I have been praying for, this allowed me actually to quit my job, be boss free, and finally retire earlier. So I love my freedom right now, and this is what we do. And we are surrounded by like-minded people, right? And it's wonderful because we are global. We're all over the world, and you see your tribe. You find your tribe, and this is our tribe. And that's why we are here together to give you some wonderful tips, and for travel, whether it is simple traveler or all over the world, whatever it is. No, it is here. Thank you so much. And back to you, Joseph.
Hey, thank you, thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to all of you. My name is Joseph. I am from Hamilton, Canada. I have a wife and two young adults. I am also from Manila, Philippines. Migrated here 1980. So it's been a long time. That's why I miss our fellow Filipinos back home. That's why I try to travel as much as I can back to the Philippines. In any case, I am a retired IT professional, same as Ariane. Um, I worked for one company for about over 3 decades, which I'm very, very proud of. So it's something that I thought of for quite a long time to retire early and I guess jump into my next chapter, which is this digital business. So I am a financial advocate, working towards my financial advisor, like Coach Mildred certification at some point. I love to me, I love solving problems for people, and that problem is really all about retirement and financial, right? So, I love being a solution to a problem. So that's what inspires me and motivates me doing this on a regular basis. That's why this business really suited me because why? Because of my previous job as a manager for a long time, my my priority was my staff members. Is really encouraging them, motivating them, teaching them, coaching them, mentoring them, and sure enough, that this business that I saw with with these ladies, Ariane and Coach Mildred, we've joined this digital business because it's all about people business. It's about taking care of the people that we work with, not so much of a staff member, but more of a business partner, and making sure that they're all motivated and inspired and learning new things about this digital business. So that's what to me it's really a great fit from my previous job onto this new journey in digital business. So anyway, that's all about me. Ariane, back to you.
Thank you for that wonderful introduction, guys. So again, if this is the first time you're seeing us here, so this is the second installment of our episode from last week. And in that episode, we talked about, travel, our most unforgettable memories of, traveling with our families, with friends, and our top destinations, right? And so this episode will talk more about, because we wanted engagement from you guys. This will talk more about what personality do you have as a traveler. So
Mhm.
yeah, very interesting topic. Which traveler personality do you think you are? And if you can relate to this, if you're watching this live or replay, just comment down below. Which traveler personality do you think you are as well? Because we'd love to engage with you guys. So yeah. So I'll just enumerate first what are those traveler personalities. And afterwards, we'll identify ourselves kung nasan kami sa personalities na
Yeah.
yan, and then we'll give tips, right? So the first one is the travel planner or organized traveler. Ayan, sa mga medyo OC, loves itineraries, checklists, or booking in advance. And then we have the adventurer or spontaneous traveler who loves surprises, last minute decisions, and that go to work. Let's see where the day takes us. Ayan. Ganyan ba kayo? And then the third one is the comfort seeker. Yan naman yung mga relaxed, chill, loves resorts, cruises, familiar brands, or guided tours kasi mas madali. And then we have budget traveler. Siyempre, mas focused on saving money and maximizing value. And finally, the explorer or culture enthusiast. Yung mga mahilig naman yan sa culture explorations, museums, local tours, local food and restaurants, history and authentic connections with the locals. Yan. So, we'll start with Kuya Joseph. So, can you
Yes.
tell us which traveler personality do you think you are?
Ako, pwede bang multiple
Yes,
personality?
of course.
Kasi I'm a
Oo
Gemini.
naman, bakit naman hindi?
Wow! May connection sa zodiac.
Yeah, no, thank you. So, ako naman, I will say to you, I've done yung planner, the A. I've done the planner with my family. So many times. I did it in 2020. I planned the trip for my family, everything, the whole,
Mm.
and the whole, no, the whole trip, from the plane ticket, from boarding as well, huh? Boarding. Alam mo, all they had to do was show up at the airport. That's all they had to
Very
do.
convenient.
Yeah, I did all
Wow,
the
you did
I did
everything,
the
huh?
check-in, huh? I did the check-in, lahat, the check-in. So
Wow.
I planned the whole itinerary. I planned the whole flight. I planned the whole mga visits, tours in there, right? I planned all that for my
Wow.
family. So I did that in 2020. Tapos I did it again in 2023 with a bigger number of my I guess my full family, my siblings and their
Mm-mm.
wives, my sister-in-law and my mom. So
Wow.
I did that for I think 8 of us. I think it was seven. I think it was the 8 of us. And
Wow.
I did that again, yung buying, even uh, checking in and then actually touring, island
Yeah.
hopping and stuff. So I actually gave the
Mm.
whole itinerary. I did the whole itinerary, visiting Bohol, Palawan, Boracay, with the island hopping and everything.
Wow.
So and all they had to do again is show up with their luggage. I even
That
checked
sounds
them
so
in
good.
myself.
I love that.
Yeah. So I felt like I was a travel uh, tour guide.
Travel agent,
Yeah.
tour
So
guide.
I'm a planner. I must say,
Mhm.
being kasi that was my old job din naman sa IT, project management. I learned how to plan and how to organize things. So, and I've done it many times. Siguro four trips siguro I managed the whole trip. I felt
Wow.
like I said, I
Mhm,
felt like a
mhm.
tour guide and travel agent as well. So yeah, I would say I
That
would say
sounds,
I'm a
I love
planner.
that because
I'm a planner.
you don't, they
But
don't have to do anything but just attend. Go.
yeah, no, totoo yun, coach. All they had to do was
Show
show
up.
up with their luggage kasi binigay na sa akin yung mga passport electronically,
Yeah.
and I just checked them in, all of
Oh
them.
my
Right?
God.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my
So they
goodness.
felt so I did it for my family, my two boys and my wife. Tapos I did it again with my mom and my siblings and sister-in-law. And then I did it again for my wife's family. Sa ano naman, sa the recent flight was Antigua. Yeah, it's Antigua. So yeah, they were so happy with the whole
Wow.
experience. They don't like traveling, no? My wife's family, they don't like traveling
Mhm,
much.
mhm.
So you
But
did
when
it.
they experienced
Yeah.
it, they loved it because
Yeah.
they didn't have to, they're not stressed, right? They just have to show
Parang
up.
stress-free, no?
Yes,
Stress-free.
yes,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Everything was
Pwede bang
planchado,
travel
planchado
planner,
na lang.
kuya?
Yeah, planchado siya. And I had plan
I
B, like,
love that.
yung mga
Oh, you
tours.
have plan
Yeah.
B too.
Yeah, I had plan B.
Ah,
If the tour did not go
Yeah,
well, there's
that's
plan B and
wonderful.
stuff. But I will say though, looking at your list, yung personality list, I'm also
Mm.
kasi meron ako mga part of my company is also a budget traveler.
oh
So
yeah.
I had to also look
Mm.
for a well budgeted
Yes.
tours, diba?
Yeah.
So I would say I had to do that as well at the same time. So I mean, kasi naman, if we want to travel for a long time, we need to budget as well. In any case, right?
Of course.
So
Yes.
I would say ako yung the last one, which is a budget traveler. I'm not as spontaneous a person. I'm more of I like to everything planned out. Kasi nga my background is project management, like Ariane.
Like
Mm-mm.
dapat
Mm-mm.
dapat ito ito.
Yeah. So there'll be surprises, pero we'll just handle the surprises as it
Yeah.
comes along, diba? Pero yeah, I
Mm,
would say
mm.
I'm A and then I'm D siguro. Yeah.
Wow. Wonderful. Thanks, kuya. Ikaw, Coach Mildred.
Wow. For me, I think I'm a combination. Combination of all. Um, you know, I experienced a really well-planned vacation, and my best friend, who now lives in California, was the one that planned everything, the itinerary, the Airbnbs we were going to stay, all of that, right? So they're in California, I'm here in Canada, so we both flew out the same time. We met in Hong Kong.
Wow.
In Hong Kong, right? In Hong Kong, we took the same flight, the same plane to Cebu, to the Philippines, right?
Mm.
And there were 10 of us. 10 of us. Grabe, sabi ko, oh my gosh, I think this should be your second career because she's a dentist. She's a dentist by profession, but she loves to travel too. Oh my gosh, she really planned it so well. That was the first time I experienced that. Oh my, we hardly had any sleep because, you know, from the airport straight to the Airbnb, from there we just had a few hours sleep. The next day we traveled all around Cebu and then to Bohol and then to Palawan, back to Cebu, and then to Manila, then to Hong Kong, right? Stayed in Hong
Wow.
Kong for a few days. And then everything was budget. So it's a combination, right? It was planned, right? She planned everything. So not a dull moment. And I had no problem because it's like, oh, I can just relax. Because sometimes when you travel, you're always on the go. Like your mind is always thinking, okay, what do we do now? What do we do now? But if it is already planned, you know exactly what's going to happen tomorrow, the next day, and the day after, right?
Mm.
So she really planned it so well that, we were exhausted, but it was good. Like in Bohol, I think we stayed in 2 or 3 Airbnbs. In Palawan, going to Palawan, 3 Airbnbs.
Oh, wow,
Talagang
eh, di
because of
lipat-lipat.
the travel also from the airport to El Nido. Yes, yes. And because it was early and things like that. So we experienced so many beautiful Airbnbs and little hotels,
Mm.
like boutique hotels that are family owned and not the huge,
Yes.
like touristy kind of hotel.
Mm.
They were like local. I love that. And it's for us who are Filipinos to visit our country like that. I had more of an appreciation. Is that there's so much to see, right? And then going to Hong Kong, the Hong Kong is where we splurged. We stayed in a hotel, and then we went to what's that place where they do gambling? Macau, Macau.
Ikaw,
We
yeah.
went to Macau. But I'm not really a gambler, but it was a good experience, right? So the other kinds of traveler, adventurous, spontaneous, I like that too. When I travel, like last time I traveled, I I left some area where I could just be spontaneous. I don't want it to be like very, rigid and sticking
Mm.
to a schedule, right? Comfort seeker. The first time I went to a all inclusive was last year in Mexico with our group, right? And that was
Mm.
wonderful because I didn't have to worry. The food was there. You wake up, there's a schedule. Budget is also good. So that's what we did. There was also budget there because the Airbnb, she really found the best ones, right? And explore. I love museums. I love museums
Mm.
and exploring in different parts of the country. So that in a nutshell is me. A
Wow.
combination. How about you, Ariane? How about you?
Yeah. Yeah, ako po, combination din. Pero, the story is that when we started traveling, syempre, we were also starting the family, di ba? So it's always
Yeah.
budget. We were always budget conscious.
Yeah.
So it's like a budget backpacking. Kasi sa Philippines naman, you can just,
Oh,
kahit magkano yung dala mo, you can go to any beach like nearby Manila or
yeah.
kahit hindi ka
Yeah.
mag-fly going
Mm-mm.
there. So yung mga nandun lang sa paligid, yeah, we're always like budget conscious nung nagsa-start kami. But when we started going overseas, when we experienced Hong Kong and then Taiwan, yan, Macau as well, we went to Macau, Malaysia. It's so easy kasi to book the tickets in Asia kasi there are a lot of low-cost airlines. So, sobrang mura compared to the low-cost airlines
Mm.
here. Sobrang sobrang may mga mura tapos
Yeah.
nagsi-sale
Yeah.
piso fare. Piso fare, like we wait
Wow.
in the midnight. Pag inopen na nila yung piso
Yeah.
fare, talagang ubos yun agad, yung mga ganyan. Both local destinations and international destinations ng mga low cost airlines. So nung
Mhm,
nag-start
mhm.
kaming mag-travel to international destinations, ano na, mas ano ba, budgeted pa rin, but we were like, I'm
Mhm.
more of the planner and adventurer kasi syempre it's our first time then to go to an international destination, tapos hindi namin alam kung anong aabutan namin doon. So it has to be
Yeah.
planned. I researched
Yes.
everything and we did it DIY kasi we know that it's more expensive to hire the tour guide. Tours, it's more expensive. So kung ano
Yeah,
yung mga
yeah.
nilalagay nila sa itinerary nila, yun, titingnan ko yun, kukunin ko, and then I'll tweak it based on our schedule. So I still plan it
Mhm.
out. And then I remember back in the Philippines as well, yung family ko kasi malaki. So I plan
Hmm.
for 30 people. For 30
Oh,
people.
wow.
Yes.
Oh
Parang
my
ang pinaka
gosh.
mabigat was, kasi yung, aunt and uncle ko din nagtatrabaho sila sa Middle East. So when they come home, nagta-travel kami buong family sa father side. So kami Bataan,
Wow.
Batangas ng mga
Oh my
overnight.
gosh.
Yes. Sobrang dami kasi ilang rooms 'yon, tapos ano yung mga gagawin niyo, saan kayo
Yeah.
dadaan, saan kayo pupunta, pati yung pagkain and 'di ba, may mga
Mhm,
kids
mhm.
din. So, 'yon dapat planado. But, nung nasanay na kami na nag-i-international, flights 'yan, mas defined na yung mga plans, pero mas flexible na din. Kasi during that time naman, syempre hindi ka sure sa weather. When you go there, hindi siya katulad ng Philippines
Yes.
na alam mo kung anong gagawin mo. Pagdating mo doon, anong
Mm,
magagawa
mm.
mo pag umuulan or bumabagyo. So
Yeah.
those kinds of like setbacks naman pag nagta-travel, na-handle naman namin siya with flexibility, a bit of flexibility. So yun. Ano ba yung mga
Mm,
ano
mm.
dito? I think we also love museums, Coach Mildred, yan. Kasi sa mga
Hmm.
kids, we want to show them yung
Anong
history.
favorite museum mo na napuntahan? What's
Favorite
favorite
ko
museum you've been?
sa akin, favorite ko so far yung Rome. Kasi gustong-gusto ko yung
Royal
nakita yung
Ontario
yung
Museum.
mga mummies, yung sa Egypt, yung yun talaga yung mga gusto ko.
Yes. Dito yan sa
And
Canada para alam ng mga
yes,
tao, 'di ba?
Royal
Rome.
Ontario Museum. Yeah. Yeah. So yun yung
Dito yan sa
favorite ko.
Toronto.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tapos, ano pa ba yung nandito? Comfort seeker. So, whenever I plan, siguro, if we have like mga 4 days, the last day would be the hotel. Yung comfort. So,
Yes.
during yung mga first few days, we can stay in an inn, yung cheaper,
Yeah.
ganyan, or
Yeah.
yung mga maliliit lang na hotels, like Coach Mildred said, mga boutique hotels, kasi mas marami yun sa Asia kaysa dito. Nagtataka nga din ako kung bakit wala siya masyado dito.
Oo.
Yeah.
Correct,
But
correct.
yun,
Mm.
so we can stay mga ilang nights sa ganon, and then the final night para mas komportable, nakapag-relax kahit papaano, yun. Tsaka kami lilipat sa hotel na may magandang bed. Yeah.
I know. Tsaka magandang banyo.
Yes, magandang banyo, may
And
bathtub,
cold
ganon.
water. Comfortable, right?
Ayan.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. So yun. Comfort seeker, but it's also a mix. Pero I think I'm more of the planner talaga. Kasi I've tried, planning, for big groups. Tapos even when I'm with my friends naman sa Philippines noon, parang isa talaga ako sa nagpa-plan. So, yun. Yun ang aking kwento. And then, of
I think
course, syempre,
Ryan,
yeah,
especially you have young kids, right? You have to
yes,
have some
yeah,
plan talaga, di ba?
yes.
Mahirap
At saka
spontaneous pag mga bata.
yes po. Tsaka gusto namin na ma-maximize namin kasi it's not like in the Philippines, it's not like in Canada na yung mga bakasyon ng mga tao 1 week, 2 weeks. Hindi kami
Yeah.
nakakapagbakasyon ng ganon.
Yeah.
Ano lang, I think the maximum that maximum number of days na nakapag ano kami yung Korea, which was 6 days, 5 nights.
Wow.
Yun lang, yun na yung max.
Wow.
Yun na yung max. So hindi
Mm-mm.
kami nakakapag long holidays or vacation. Kaya dapat maximize
Yeah.
din yung oras tsaka yung location. So sa isang
Mm-mm.
location, tinitingnan ko na kung ano yung mga pwede naming puntahan. Just like what we're doing here now when we came here in Canada. Libot sa Ontario. Yan. So 'di ba?
Oo.
Ayan, exciting kasi
Yeah.
yes, kasi ang sarap talagang mag-travel,
Yeah.
mag-visualize na you're traveling, exploring, ganyan. But my
Explore.
next question guys is, ano yung tips nyo? Kasi you are your own like you have your own traveler personalities. Mixed man siya pero iba din yung trip ni Coach Mildred, ibang trip ni Kuya Joseph. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
So, what are your tips naman for our audience? Ano yung pwede nilang makuha from our travel experiences? Ayan. Sige,
Mm.
Coach Mildred.
Okay. Maraming tips, right? For all kinds of travelers. When it comes to, kasi maraming tips, right? Ito, we start with packing. Right? What do you take with you? You cannot take your whole wardrobe. That's for sure. Especially nowadays, the airlines are very strict when it comes to
Yes.
weight limit of your, if
And
you have a hand
it's
carry,
expensive
if you have
to
a
check
check-in.
in.
Yes, yes. And even now, right? For you have to pay. If you have a luggage, you have to check
Yeah.
in. It's like $25 to $50. And that's 50
Mhm.
pounds maximum,
Mhm.
right? So really, and it is a challenge for me because especially for us women, kasi mas marami tayong gamit eh. Yung mga toiletries natin, di ba? Mga sapatos, mga sandals, chinelas, right? And then our OOTD, outfit of the
Yes.
day, you know? So, it depends when you're going. OOTD, alam mo yon, Joseph? Outfit
No.
of the day.
Now I
So,
know.
is there a theme? It's gonna one day is gonna be all white, another day it's gonna blue and white, another day is gonna be yellow, red, or whatever it is, right? So, but sometimes it's better if wala na OOTD. You just go whatever, right? And some people, it's easier for them to travel just with you know, a carry on. Oh my gosh, the first time I traveled with carry on, I really had to plan. And yung toiletries, you know, you have to put it in smaller containers, and you gotta make sure that they are you know, they are allotted for that flight. It cannot be more than 100 ml, right? 100 ml if you are
Yes.
flying. Because if you drive, it's much easier. Pwede mo lang ilagay lahat. You can put it in your trunk, you know, take that with you, and the food as well. But when you're traveling outside of the country, the food you cannot take like fruits or meat and stuff like that. So many
Mhm.
regulations, right? So
Restrictions, yeah.
you gotta follow that as well. So really travel light. And what I find, I already try to really minimize my outfit, but still I end up I bring too much. Ay siguro 5 or 6 more than I really need, right? So my next trip, I said, okay, I got to cut this out, cut this out, cut this out, right? Because sometimes also when you travel, there is a laundry facility, so you can also wash your clothes, right? It's good if you have laundry. But if you don't even have time for laundry because the schedule is so packed, you don't have time to wash because you're always out and about, then you have to bring the proper clothes, right? So, and also of course your documents. You gotta have your documents, especially now. It's very strict going around. Wherever you go, you have to have your visa, your documents, your papers, right? Madami eh. And then your
Mm.
meds. If you take meds, make sure you have your meds, right?
Yes.
When it comes to that. And always I say, even if it is a planned, right, organized travel, leave a little room for some adventure because you'll
Yeah.
never know. You know, Sometimes there's a tour, but if you want to go out on your own, there's so many things that you can discover on your own. And it's wonderful. The part that you discover something new. It's something different from what you're doing in the ordinary, right? So
Mm.
it's wonderful. Like when we went to Egypt, when we went to Egypt, we visited the oldest museum. Can you imagine? It was packed with artifacts, massive artifacts from from the Sphinx, from the uh, from all their diggings, the mummies and all that. So much in one place that, and they're all beautiful. But because it's too much, sometimes it's like you can't appreciate anymore. That's why the Royal Ontario Museum and the Art Gallery of Ontario is different, right? Because it's only one, two, or three artifacts. You kind of um, are able to really see the value in it. Kung marami na masyado marami, kung masyado na marami, para, okay, it's just ordinary. But it's not
Yeah.
ordinary. It's all, everything is really of value, right? So many. And also, of course, the people there. You gotta respect the people. Whatever they do there, you gotta be careful what you do, what you say, how you act, how you dress. Some
Mm.
cultures and some places where we went to, especially when you're traveling to Saudi Arabia, very strict, right?
Mm.
So you gotta be modest in the way you dress, and even if it's all covered, they still want you to wear an abaya. It's like a black robe,
Mm.
right? And things like that. Very interesting. Yes,
Yeah.
madami
I
pa.
think
So next,
yeah. I
Joseph
think
naman, si
coach
Joseph.
no, no, just to quickly add, maganda din that we already have the internet, right? Kasi those kind of like cultural traditions, yung mga ganon,
Yes.
hindi natin alam. Baka mamaya
You
pupunta
can
ka sa
research.
temple, naka miniskirt, ganon. 'Di ba? So bawal,
Oo,
you wouldn't
oo.
know.
Yeah.
So yan. So it's
Yeah.
good then
At
to
saka noon
research.
when we were traveling, this was when I was a flight attendant, right? And we
Mm.
traveled to Saudi Arabia. You cannot bring anything that is anything that says Christmas, anything of Christianity, bawal yon. They have to confiscate it. Even Christmas cards, bawal. Christmas cards,
Oh.
Bible, or you cannot bring the Bible. Yeah,
Mm.
anything like
But
that
are they
depicting
open now?
Christianity.
I mean, is it
Um,
allowed?
Dubai, Dubai has always been open. Dubai is considered the Paris of the Middle East. It's more
Mm.
modern, right? The
Mm.
people are, if you swim in the swimming pool, men and women are there. If you go to the bowling alley, men and women.
Mm.
But when we were traveling to Saudi Arabia, I don't know what it is now, really. I haven't checked. Maybe you know. But before, oh my gosh, we cannot swim together with the men. The women
Mm.
are in the morning, the men swim in the afternoon. We cannot be
Oh,
in the same,
may
yeah,
schedule.
schedule.
Wow.
But it's funny, you know why? Because we stayed in this big, massive hotel. Everything in Saudi Arabia is massive, right? So this was in Daharan. So we will swim, huge swimming pool, like Olympic size swimming pool. And then you see when you look up the hotel, all the men are looking out, like looking at us. Like, oh my gosh. It's so like, oh my gosh. Yeah, because they cannot swim with the, these are the
That's
things, right? If you do
awkward.
not see, it's like, oh my. Anyway, malayo naman kasi ang lalaki doon, di ba? Ang
Mm.
lapad. And then
Yeah.
they're looking at us. They cannot see us. If they want, they can have binoculars. Look at us. Yeah, these are
Thanks for
especially
sharing.
doon. Oo, mas nakakatakot yung mga gano'n, 'di ba? Kasi there's so
Yeah.
many rules and regulations.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah,
Ikaw,
so
Kuya
many.
Joseph. Yeah.
Ang dami.
What's your
Oh,
tip?
Joseph.
Travel tips, ah. Ako alam mo, minsan very, ano ba to? I don't know what you call it, pero siguro I'm always trying to please everyone. No? So I normally ask for their requirements, their
Oh.
minimum requirements. Para alam ko, I have an idea kung,
Mm.
how to
What are
plan.
they?
So to me, that one of my tip is asking your guests or your party, the whole party, for ideas as to
Mm.
what do they like, what do they wanna see, para hindi naman masayang yung ano nila, yung trip nila, right? So trying to get some ideas lang
Yes.
as part of planning. So
Yeah.
my tip
Yeah.
is ask people for their mga requirement nila, ano gusto nilang gawin during the trip, and then I will summarize everything and then share it before we or before I
That's so
start
wonderful. Oh
researching.
my gosh.
Yeah, so that's one tip. But you don't have to always do that. I'm just being very considerate, right? Considerate on their time and also on their enjoyment for traveling. But the other
Yeah.
thing
Yeah.
the other thing that the reason why I laughed when Coach Mildred mentioned about tips on packing is there was a there was a situation there was a, si-
Natatawa na agad si Kuya.
yeah, there was a situation when my wife and I went to the Philippines, and ako kasi masyado akong I packed too much. I packed too much, no? Ang nangyari, I went there and I didn't get to wear all of it anyway. But some of it,
Yeah.
some of the stuff I packed, when I wore it, it was too small.
What?
It was too small, like my
How
T-shirt.
come?
No? My T-shirt was too small. I don't know I don't know. You know, imagine me,
Oh my God.
Imagine,
Nag-shrink.
imagine,
Kaya ang
imagine,
space.
yeah, imagine me. I took it up my luggage and I wore it,
Oh
and it
my
was so
God.
tight. Para akong suman.
Oh my gosh.
So
Mga
it was a
ilang
waste.
years na ba yan, Kuya?
I know exactly. That's exactly my wife asked, how many years have you had your clothes? So
You
anyway,
didn't check it out. You didn't try it out before you packed it.
I didn't do it. I didn't do it. So ayun nga. So that's why your tip is right. I mean, making sure you pack light, pack appropriately, and pack whatever suits
Yes.
your body. um, pero the
Yeah.
last tip that I would say is more on the financial side. So a lot of people, even my cousins, asking me, "How come I get to travel so much?" And sabi ko, well, I'm blessed. At the same time, I'm also very frugal. I'm also very frugal when it comes to expenses. So what I do is I actually take
Yeah.
advantage of the points, the Avion points, right? The Avion points, where
Yes.
you can
Of
use
your
those
credit
points
card.
of your credit card. Yeah, of your credit card. You can actually collect those points and actually use that to fly. So imagine, we're all spending money on groceries, we're spending money on subscription, we're spending money on
Yeah.
whatever payment we make, right? Taxes or whatever, clothes, right? Books for kids, anything, right? Anything, or whatever you are
Yeah.
using for your home. Those purchases turns into points, right? So you use those at the end of the year or at the end of 2 years, you can now use those points to fly. Now here's the tip though. The tip is that those points are actually really good to have because the points are based on location, the country location that you're going to, not because of
Wow.
not because of
Yeah.
peak season, or it's not because of the peak season. It's not because the airline raised their prices. It's the points are based
Yeah.
on location. So imagine if the
Mm.
prices of the airlines skyrockets, right? Your Avion points is based on location, so it's not affected by it, right? So
Ah.
yeah, yung points pupuntang Philippines, it's more 100,000 points, right? Pero if you want to go to Mexico or Hawaii, it's only 35,000 points.
Mm.
Tapos,
Wow.
so that's my tip to everyone: is on the financial side, take advantage of the Avion points on your credit cards, and the other option too is, um, take advantage of the cash reward cards. Yung mga cash reward cards, yung mga cashback.
Mm.
Take advantage of that kasi you can get cash towards your trips, right?
Yeah.
So it's very important to me.
Mhm.
That's how I'm able also take advantage of flying or even hotels. You
Yeah.
can use your Avion points or any points. You can
Mhm.
use in hotel as well, right? So the
Mm.
best way to redeem your points is through airline or hotel bookings. That's the
Mm.
most efficient way to redeem your points.
Yes. Oh my
That's
gosh.
the other tip.
Wow,
Mhm.
So yeah, so that's my tip.
Wow. Love that.
amazing.
Love that.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Sana nagte-take down kayo ng notes, 'di ba? Kasi
Ay, ako nagte-take down ako ng
if
notes.
you're
Ewan ko
really
sa
budget
audience
conscious,
natin.
that
You know,
helps.
whoever is watching,
Yes.
whoever is
Yeah.
watching, put down your comments there. Anong question nyo?
Yes,
How about you,
ayan.
Arian?
Oh,
Let's
Ay, si
let's shout
Aylan.
out muna.
Hello.
Ayan, Coach Aylan. Hello guys watching from Abbotsford, BC. Good topic.
Hi.
We love traveling. And then
Yes.
Adonai, it's open
from
now.
Bahrain.
So she said Saudi is open now, like Bahrain.
Oh, okay.
Wow, open country. That's
By the
good.
way,
Saudi
she's
Arabia now is
watching.
open new country. By the way, watching. Oh, that's good.
We're global. And another one. Hi
Wow.
Maristel. Hi
Hi,
guys.
Maricel. How are you?
Hi,
Hello,
coach.
hello. Thank
Kamusta?
you for
Kamusta?
ayan.
Mm.
Yeah, so as I said, I hope you're watching. I hope you're watching this and you're taking down notes kasi that those tips really
Yes.
help from the packing to the budget for those who are tawa si Kuya dun sa
Marami,
packing niya.
ano?
Di siya maka-get over. Anyways, speaking about packing, sa akin naman, what I do is, whatever I plan for the day, kasi di ba ako naman yung nag-take ng itinerary, nagpa-plan ng itinerary. But
Yes,
wherever we're
yes.
going for the day, naka-plan na yon. So whenever we go out, my kids would ask me, Mommy, how many undies do I need to bring? How many ganito? How many ganyan? So
How many shorts? How many pants?
yes, naka-group na siya.
Mm-mm.
So ito na yung
Yeah.
plano na nasusuotin mo for day 1, day 2, day 3, that's it. Tapos meron lang allowance para in case may
Yeah.
madumihan or something. Yeah, mga dalawang set ng damit. So that's it. Ganun naman kayo, pack light lang. And then sometimes kasi parang sa atin, as girls, di ba, we wanted na, ang tawag dito, yung OOTD, like what Coach Mildred said, yan, kailangan may OOTD.
Yes.
But in my
Outfit
case
of the
naman,
day. Joseph.
yes. In my case naman, I think I'm more for comfortable clothes. Hindi ako masyado sa OOTD.
Yeah.
Kasi yun, depende naman yun sa tao, right? Like, if you really want to dress up, pwede. Especially if you're going to a high-end restaurant, yung mga ganyan, may mga nagta-travel
Yeah.
na ganon.
Yeah.
Siyempre, dapat medyo formal ka naman. Medyo formal ka naman. Don't show up na naka-shorts at saka naka-ano lang. Mga ganyan. Tawa ng tawa si kuya.
Yes.
Ayan.
Dapat may
Tapos,
formal ka rin. May formal. May pang
Yes.
swimming. May
Yes.
pang tulog. Yeah.
yeah. And then, Coach Mildred, correct me if I'm wrong, di ba sa mga airlines may mga seat sales kapag may mga holidays or events like kunwari Chinese New Year, yan, magsi-seat sale sila, yung mga ganyan. So, sometimes I watch out for
Oo.
that. Kasi, nung nasa Philippines naman, dun sa mga low-cost airlines, yung mga piso fare, yung mga seat sale, sobrang dami. Parang every quarter yata, nagaganon sila.
Yeah.
Nagaganon
Oh,
sila. So,
wow.
mga 6
Ganda
months,
naman nun.
6 months to a year before the travel date, mura, sobrang mura niya. Parang let's say from the Philippines to Hong Kong, may mga
Wow.
2,000 pesos.
Wow.
Yes, 2,000 pesos. Tapos ang
Oh my
minsan, pag piso
goodness.
fare, ang babayaran mo lang, tax lang. Yan. But in the Philippines, dun sa
Oh my
Asia, you really have to wait for the seat sale. Talagang magpupuyat ka kasi
Yeah,
unahan
yeah.
talaga yun sa pag-book
Yeah.
online. So yun. And then
Sorry.
yes,
I've
Arian.
never tried
Sorry,
that.
Arian.
Huh? I've never tried that, yung seat sale.
oh, It's so cheap. It's so cheap. Like yun, mga ganon yung range 2,000, 3,000. I think the ticket that we paid
Oh my
for
gosh.
one person noon sa Korea, kaya ako nadala yung parents ko was only like 4,000 pesos.
Wow.
4,000 to 5,000 pesos ang isa.
Uh-huh.
So, ano na yun? Round trip na yun. That was
Oh,
round trip.
that's good.
So, it's so cheap.
Grabe,
Sa
ah.
siya. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So,
kuya, may question ka.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh, ang mura.
yeah, yung mga seat sale, paano ka nakakapag-off ka sa trabaho when they come up?
Hindi po, talaga, hindi, gabi naman siya usually. Nag-open sila ng 12, right? So, you have to be awake.
No, I meant
Tapos
yung travel
maganda
time.
ka. Yes.
I meant yung travel time. Yung travel day.
Oh.
Travel day.
Oh, the travel date, yes, nagli-leave po ako. Doon sa mismong travel date na. Yes.
Okay, that's good. Yeah.
And it's also planned, like you have to to apply for the leave, 'di ba? For the
Oh,
off ng
that's good. Yeah.
Yeah, yun. Tapos I think since yung kung ganon, let's say during that time from the Philippines to, let's say, Korea. Sa Korea kasi, just like Philippines, iba-iba yung attractions nasa iba-ibang lugar. So if you want to go to let's say Seoul and you want to go to Busan, from Seoul to Busan, you have to get another flight. Just like what I mentioned din last week nung dun sa ginawa namin sa Indonesia. So we went to Jakarta and then Jogjakarta and then Jogjakarta to Bali and then Bali to back to the Philippines.
Yeah.
So sobrang laking tulong din pag seat sale kasi ang laki na nababawas sa fares. Tapos yes, and then the planning itself. So katulad nun, we're going to Indonesia. Ano ba yung mga gusto nating puntahan doon? So when I write the itinerary, parang sa Jakarta, kami, parang cultural, parang Jakarta na cultural museum, yung mga indigenous na nila instruments, ganyan, mga bahay din na luma, ganyan. So nasuruwento kasi wala namang masyadong pwedeng puntahan sa city. So overnight lang kami doon and then we went to Jogjakarta, yung malalaking temple nila na parang pyramids din. Yun yung pinuntahan namin doon.
Oh my God.
Tapos, in that place, isa lang din yung yung talagang major attraction. So, after that, lipad naman. But it's all in Indonesia. So, from one place to another in Indonesia, it's either flight or parang chartered na van. So, nung nagpunta naman kami sa Cambodia, we went to Siem Reap, tsaka Phnom Penh. So, from Siem Reap to Phnom Penh, it's van already. So, may mga attractions din kasi doon. So, sayang kasi parang, okay, pupunta tayo ng ganito, tapos hindi pa natin mapupuntahan yung malapit-lapit na na area din.
So, you go there na.
Ulitin, yes. That's how we maximize. So, pero syempre, like I said earlier, budget conscious pa din. Talagang budgeted pa. So, yun.
Wow,
meron tayo ulit
amazing.
mga comments here. And sabi ni Coach Island, yeah, use your CC for purchases to warm points.
Credit card.
Yeah, make sure you pay off.
Earn points. Siguro earn points.
Oh, earn points. Yan, sabi niya.
Earn points.
Even in Thailand, mura ang yes. Yeah, this is the case in Asia.
Wow.
When you go to local places, marirealize mo mahal na siya. Bakit hindi ka na lang mag-international?
I know.
Yeah.
There's so many tours there now, di ba? Even cruises. There's a lot of cruises there.
Yeah.
Southeast Asia.
Mas mahal pa, di ba? Totoo yan, Ate Naida. Mas mahal pa ang ticket sa Boracay tsaka sa Palawan.
Boracay.
Kaya siguro a lot of expats recommend Philippines being a hub kasi mura nga ang flight sa Asia, right?
Yes.
Maybe that's why. Okay.
Yes.
In the Philippines alone, marami nang pwedeng puntahan.
Yeah. Okay.
I know.
Coach Daphne. Hi, Coach Daphne, watching from Texas.
Coach Daphne.
So
Hi,
yeah,
Coach
so this is
Elsie.
Coach Island's tip. Yan, with AI.
Yes. Oh my
Yes,
gosh, AI. Yes.
yes. Thank you, Coach Aidan. Yan.
To
Totoo,
plan your whole
yes. You can ask
itinerary.
ChatGPT for
I love
itinerary.
that.
Yes.
Coach
I
Aylan
love
is my
that.
partner
Yeah.
in crime
Yes.
in business
For our next trip.
for our next
Yes.
event. Yeah.
For our next trip coming up next
Have you
year.
have you ever tried,
Coming
coaches,
soon.
like to ask ChatGPT for itineraries?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. How is it?
Mhm.
How is it
No,
though?
It's good.
not
Hindi mo
yet.
na-
It's good. You can ask for a very detailed one. It's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good.
When we went to
That's
Midland
good.
last
You
time,
can
I
do that.
tried it. Pero ang parang hindi ko pa nakuha sa baka hindi pa gano'n kadami talaga yung mga reviews tsaka yung mga
Mm.
ma-scrape from the
Mm-mm.
internet about
Mm-mm.
Midland. Kasi
Yeah.
ang isa rin na tinitingnan ko is how long do you have to like roam around, let's say, the museum, or
Mhm.
so that you
Yeah.
can maximize it in a day. So like
Your
kunwari one
time.
museum,
Yes.
yes, one museum mga 2 to 3 hours. After
Mm.
that, in the afternoon, ano nang gagawin nyo, yung ganun. So yun pa
Yeah.
yung hinahanap ko na I think hindi ko yata nakuha pa kay ChatGPT. But I'm pretty sure mabilis
Oh.
lang yan.
Yeah.
Yes, mabilis lang yan.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yes, ayan. Hi, partner.
Ah,
May trabaho pa daw kayo.
for
Ayan.
editing,
Ayan.
the
Thank you
work
po.
never ends.
Yeah.
Ayan. I think to wrap
Alam
up
mo,
na lang. Ay, sige, coach. Go
yes.
ahead.
No, naisip ko lang, there was one trip that we went to. It was all planned already, planned months in advance. It was a
Mm.
very special trip because we were able to go to Israel
Mm.
before the pandemic,
Mm.
and it was so well planned, right? And I wasn't really expecting because I thought, oh, okay, because when you travel, for me, if you travel to Europe, North America, South America, and all that, first time ko in Israel, right? So I wasn't really expecting a lot. I was just thinking, okay, we're going to see where, all the artifacts and where Jesus was born, where he lived, and Mary and Joseph and stuff like that. So I was thinking, okay, it's, but I actually was thinking, okay, it's gonna be boring. That's what I thought. When I went there, oh my gosh, it's my favorite place to go. I wanna go back. It was so special. There's something so special about Israel. So we went to the Sea of Galilee, we went to the Jordan River, we swam in the Red Sea. No, not swam because you float. You float in the Red Sea, right? Because of all the salt content, no matter how you try to drown, you will not drown. You will float. And
Mm.
then, it's amazing. In this little country, you can see desert, and then mountains, barren, and then all of a sudden lots of grass and lots of trees and oasis, right? It's like, oh my gosh. And they had bananas, they had mangoes, and then we had fish from the Sea of Galilee. We rode the boat around the Sea of Galilee. It was just so special. And then because we were such a big group, that group was the biggest I've been. There were 6,000 of us. This one was when I was in the financial services industry and US and Canada. So of course, they can accommodate all 6,000 in one place. Maliit lang ang Israel, tsaka
Mm.
maliliit ang daan. So they cut in half. 3,000 was in Jerusalem. The other half was in Tel Aviv, right? So when we finished all roaming around, then we exchange. We went to Jerusalem, the other part went to and then the last day we had a huge gathering of all of us in the city. There's no place there that could accommodate 6,000 of us. So what did the city do? The government had to be involved because they had to help for the traffic of all the buses. Can you imagine all those tour buses and all the accommodations and all that, right? And they lifted there was a curfew actually, but they lifted that because we were still having a party and the mayor was invited, and we were dancing and there was music and then people having fun until like I think 12 o'clock at night, right? But they had to convert a valley valley. So they had to construct like a stage. And that took months. They
Wow.
prepared for our
Wow.
arrival. So they had to put a stage there na wood para flat. Open
Hmm.
air. Open yun. And ang
Wow.
daming, imagine 6,000 of us.
You're like
Each table
VIPs.
had 10. Some people had 12. Ha? Oy, VIPs talaga kami. Grabe. Yeah, and we were entertained by their local artists, singers,
Wow.
dances. Then after that, dancing. Oh my gosh, the DJ was so good. Yeah, we were dancing the night away. So that was such a special, it was such a special event. Like, wonderful. For me, that was my favorite. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anong favorite nyo
Hindi,
of all
coach.
the
Ano na
places?
lang.
What's your favorite
Because
area?
because we've already tackled that last week, di ba? I think to wrap this up na lang,
Mm.
what we're going to discuss is ano pa yung gusto
Yes,
natin
yes.
puntahan.
Oh my gosh.
Ano pa yung dream
Ayan.
destination?
Uy, maganda yan.
Yes.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah. Sige, mauna na ako.
Oh,
Ako,
who wants to start?
because
Okay.
because I love museums,
Ikaw,
I wanted to go to Alberta, dun sa mga dinosaur.
Hmm.
Yun yung gusto kong puntahan. At saka yung,
Saan nga yun? Sandali.
sa north of Banff pa ata yan. In Alberta.
What is the name of the place?
Ay, hindi ko
I'm trying
pa
to remember. Yeah.
na-search. Yeah, so gusto kong makita yon yung totoong dinosaur bones. Hindi replica. And then the Aurora Borealis.
Oh.
Sa, ano yung nasa,
Yes.
yeah, maybe Alaska or sa may kabilang side na, sa may
You can see it pag nasa Calgary ka raw.
Yeah, I think so,
Yes,
yeah.
Calgary. Mami.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
but
time of the
yun,
year. It's the time of the year and yeah.
yeah, yun. I think yun. Meron pa ba akong ibang dream destination? Europe, but it's the
Local lang,
usual
about
kasi.
international. Walang international? Local ka lang? Canada ka lang?
Ay, oo nga naman pala. Local na pala ako dito sa Canada.
Local na tayo.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think sa Spain. Yung mga old.
Oh my
I
gosh.
think maybe I'm an old soul, but
I love.
yung mga luma, mga
Para
vintage.
naman tayo
yan.
kasi understand naman tayo.
Yes. Yan. Sa Philippines kasi, halos na ko na din, na sa Mindanao na lang ako hindi masyado. Kasi nakakatakot eh. may mga 'di ba, groups. Pero yun, almost all din sa Visayas, sa we swam with the turtles, with the whale sharks, mga ganyan na adventure.
Wow.
So I think okay naman ako sa Philippines. Probably I'll go back there for Siargao and El Nido. Yan. O kaya dun sa
Huwag na natin sali mo ng Philippines. Iba naman.
Iba na.
Iba.
Yun na, coach.
Philippines.
Yung Northern Canada and Spain.
Yan.
Yan lang.
Okay.
Sige, how about
Joseph,
you?
ano ka, Joseph?
Ako marami pa akong hindi napupuntahan, pero yes, Europe for sure. Yung I really want to see nga yung Spain din, Greece. Ano pa ba? I want to see Germany or Switzerland even, no? Pero sa US din, I want to see Las Vegas. I've never been to Las Vegas.
What?
Yung mga parks ng Las Vegas, yung parks, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Parks and
Yeah.
ano pa ba yung iba sa Japan and and Thailand. Actually, nung last uwi namin sa Philippines last February lang, we were supposed to go to Thailand.
Yeah.
For 3 days, 3 nights.
Yeah.
Pero gusto ng wife ko mag-ano lang yung just do it by ourselves, DIY. Oo. Gusto niya ganoon. Sabi ko, palagi ko kailangan natin ng tour guide kasi baka hindi sila marunong mag-English masyado, so we won't be able to go to places, right?
Yes.
So And ginawa ko naman yung
Yes.
sabi ni Arian na look for itinerary, copy people's
Mm-mm.
itinerary, and kung ano yung na-advertise nila. And
Chat
yeah,
GPT.
yeah. So I was okay, pero gusto ko
Yeah.
ma-maximize yung time. Like,
Yeah.
kasi nga 3 days lang. So eventually sumama yung weather. So hindi na kami natuloy. Pero Thailand was one of the places that gusto ko rin makita kasi nga maganda yung culture tsaka yung the food I heard is good, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Thailand and
Yeah.
maybe Malaysia and Vietnam. So marami pa akong gustong puntahan, marami. Pero Spain and Barcelona is number one on my
Yeah.
list. And
Spain.
and
Yeah.
hopefully yung at Dubai, hopefully in January, mag-push through yung Dubai cruise. So we'll
Mm.
see. So yun
Oh
lang.
my gosh. Yeah. Yeah.
Exciting.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, looking forward. Yeah,
yeah.
Coach Mildred.
Exciting yan, exciting. Oh my gosh, ang dami pa rin. Even if I've traveled, there's so many more. Ang next trip ko actually, we already booked it, is we're going to Greece.
Oh,
We're going
Wow.
to, yeah, Santorini. Ganun. I've never been, right? Nag-stop over lang kami doon. Stop over sa airport lang. So, yung isang flight namin. So, Greece, and then we're going to Croatia, Eastern Europe.
Wow.
Yeah. But ang dami pa. I want to go to
Yeah.
Iceland, right?
Yeah.
I've been to Norway, but I want to still go back to Scandinavia. I want to go to Iceland, Finland, right? Go back to Norway too. And I want to go to Portugal, Morocco,
Yeah. Dami, ang
Turkey. Ang
dami.
dami pa. Ang dami, right? I want to go to
Yeah.
New Zealand. I've been to um to Australia, but not to New Zealand. Go to New Zealand. Ang dami pa.
Dami, no?
South America. I haven't been to South America. Like Brazil, right? Or Panama, Costa Rica, yung mga ganyan. So, madami pa. Kaya kailangan, bucket list,
Very
you have
adventurous.
to put that there. Yes.
That's why we
Adventure
need
talaga.
this online business.
yes.
That's right. This online business is
Correct.
going to fund our
It will
trips.
make it
Yes.
happen. We'll make it
Right?
happen. Ayan.
We will. It
Oh,
will happen. Yeah, it will
hello,
happen.
Coach Mildred.
Oh, hi,
From
Clarice.
Clarice.
Hello.
Ayan. Ayan. Thank you for
Kamusta?
watching,
Yes.
guys. Ayan. Uh, so, to wrap up, may mga idadagdag pa tayo, coaches. Kuya, we're good.
Yeah. We're good. I think we're good. We're good na.
Yeah. Just some final words. So, with di ba nakaka-excite?
Of
Nakaka-excite
course. Something to look
Nakaka-excite
forward
mag-travel.
to.
Yes, mag-plan, but of course, syempre, we only have 24 hours in a day. Kailangan nating mag-work for that. Hindi naman natin maikakaila that we need money to travel, right? And so,
Yes.
it's exciting because travel always reminds us that life isn't just about yung puro work, about grinding,
right.
about work. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
about living, experiencing life, and trying to appreciate the little things, right? Sabi nga 'di ba sa Genesis, God saw all that he had made and it was very good. And indeed, we have a very beautiful Mother Earth, 'di ba? Yeah, it's just a
Yes. Oh my
simple
God.
but yes, it's
So
simple
much
but
to
powerful.
explore.
Yeah, so we want to explore more.
Yes.
Yeah, and it's a powerful reminder that everything that we explore, the nature, the people, cultures, yeah, and it's all part of God's creation, right? And it's meant for
Yes.
us to appreciate. 'Di ba? Yun yung nakakatuwa when we travel, we appreciate the culture, bakit sila naiiba sa atin, they have different traditions, they have different instruments, different tools. Kaya din kami na-excite to show it to the kids kasi even if they are living in the modern world, they easily get to parang to notice na ay parang from this modern thing or tool, it came from this from our rich history and culture.
Yes.
And
Yes.
so if
Mm-mm.
ever you watching this, you are contemplating about going on a trip, or going on an exploration or to travel, just start planning, 'di ba? It just starts from there kasi kahit na
Yeah.
That's right.
wala,
Yes.
yes, even if it's not in your radar as of the
Vision
moment.
board. Put it in your vision board.
Yes, correct. Even if you don't see yourself like na nandoon sa place na yon, just
Yes.
write it down, just plan for it because who knows, 'di ba? Who knows?
Mhm.
Mangyayari at mangyayari and if you really wanted it to happen. And
Of
it's not
course.
about,
Yes. It will happen.
yes, it's not about how far you go kasi minsan even if we're just, close to in the proximity, 'di ba? Akala natin walang magagandang places to go to. Pero yung totoo if you really
Mm.
explore, truly explore, just
Oh, yes. Ang
a
dami.
quaint cafe sa city or
Aha.
magandang restaurant, parang mga boutique hotels, the parks, there's a lot to see, right?
So much.
And I think it's just how much you allow yourself to live, to experience that and appreciate that along the way. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
don't stop dreaming about your next trip,
Exactly.
about your next
Yes.
travel.
Oh my God.
'Di ba?
So
Nakaka-excite.
exciting.
Ayan.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's it from us, guys. I hope you got some value from that and nag-enjoy kami to talk about this topic.
Oo.
Oh, may pahabol pa, Coach, yan. Hello, Coach Gina. Hello,
May
watching you guys.
pahabol. Coach
Wow.
Gina.
So,
Oh, she loves
Let's go.
traveling too.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Yeah.
mm,
Let's go,
Yes.
Coach Gina.
And I
Right?
bet we'll see, all three of us will see each other next year in a destination, in a retreat destination, 'di ba? So, where are we
Yes.
going? Dominican Republic. Punta Cana. It's Punta Cana, right?
Punta
yeah.
Cana.
Cana, Dominican Republic,
Yes.
and we're very excited
We
about
are
that,
going.
learning and exploring.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Coach Gina, ayan, kahit sa tourist spots
Ayan.
on our local, go and explore. Yes, yes, indeed, yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bring our family local first. Yeah. Yes,
It really
yes.
expands your horizon. It
Oh,
expands
yeah.
your horizon because
Uh,
it's very different, right? If you've never traveled, if you've traveled, it's like, oh my gosh, there's a
Yeah.
whole wide world outside.
It's a
Discover,
very different
discover,
world.
go.
Yeah.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
thank you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you, Coach Mildred,
Thank you,
for
everybody.
your suggested
Yes,
topic. This has been really fun. A fun topic. Thank you, Kuya
because a lot of
Joseph.
people love to
Um,
travel, so it's good.
yes,
Yes,
we all love to travel, so go ahead and book that trip. Thank
that's
you so
right.
much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you again in our next episode of Your Next Chapter. Bye for now. God bless.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye for
Bye.
now. Take care. Bye, everybody.